Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Junani. If you're new here, welcome. I make polymer clay DIY tutorials. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this polymer clay betta fish. I'm going to be using two shades of orange, red and some yellow. I also added some Primo translucent into these colors. I started by rolling a long teardrop shape for the body of the fish. All the supplies and tools that I'll be using in this tutorial will be listed down at the description box. Using some mint clay, I am cutting out a circle. This is going to be the background of my fish. Then I'm placing the body of the fish on the background. To make the skinner blend, I am rolling all my colors into teardrop shapes. Then I join them opposite to each other. Then I flatten the joined clay using a roller. I run it through my pasta machine using the medium thickness. Then I fold it in half and put the fold side first into the pasta machine. I repeat this step a couple of times until I get the blended result. Using a needle tool, I'm sketching the tail and the fins of my fish. Again, using the same needle tool, I'm going to give my tail and my fin some texture. Here I'm creating some folds and giving some movement to my tail. And then I'm going to be attaching my tail to the body of the fish. Here I'm smoothing the tail onto the body using a ball tool. And I repeated these steps with my fins as well. Next, I'm adding some extra details to the body. Then I also decided to add a dorsal fin to this fish. Here I am adding the eyes. To add a shimmery effect to my fish, I am using Gold Interference by Pearl-X. If you do not have any Pearl-X or mica powder, you can always use an old eyeshadow. And I'm also adding a touch of sparkle gold to the end of the fins. Since I'm turning these into charms, I am poking a hole on my background. Then I baked my fish at 225 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. And when they are cooled down, I use Sculpey Gloss glaze to finish them up. I think I'll be converting these into keychains. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.